Ever wonder why no one told you about the 10 relationship facts that every couple can relate to until after you got into a relationship? Hi, I'm Banatia from Quantum Upgrade. I help you sort out your jumbled up energetic strings. So if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. We've all been spending an awful lot of time with our significant other, and if you put in the equation of children, you know it is not a picnic or rainbows or sunshine. So let's see if your relationship measures up or matches these 10 relationship facts that every couple can relate to. And you know what I think? I think it's a conspiracy. But anyways, never mind about that. Let's begin. Relationship fact number 1. Yes, if you've been in a relationship long enough, you definitely will be fighting about money. If it's not about your money, then it's about his money, or it's about all y'all's money. But the thing is, that really isn't what the fight is about. Part of it is a power struggle. The other part is the baggage that you came with. You know, your mindset about money and your partner's mindset about money, your values and the things that you grew up knowing. Now, the best ways you can help to resolve that right away is to do some Meridian Tapping. And you're probably wondering, what the hell is that? Well, that's for another video. Relationship fact number 2, communication skills. That's right. One half of you isn't listening to the other, and the other half isn't listening to you either. And so y'all are trying to talk at the same time and it's just not working. So you really need to either have a way to communicate with each other where both of you get heard and you feel as if your partner heard what you're saying and they feel the same way too. It's about communication, and majority of us, we didn't grow up learning how to communicate effectively. And it's not just about knowing how to say what you're saying. It's about the tone of voice, the gestures, it's all of it. And you know, when you've been with somebody long enough, they can tell the slightest change of your facial expression. Creating an open space where both of you can feel safe enough to communicate how you're feeling, what your thoughts are, you can resolve the issue, is a great way to build a healthy relationship. Relationship fact number 3. Loving your partner. Boy, the pandemic has definitely tested your love and your tolerance for your significant other. Remember when you used to write sweet love notes to your partner and give them hugs and kisses just for being around you? No? Oh, okay. Well, it's not too late to revisit those gestures of love and affection. Doing this builds the feeling of love, support, and safety within your body, mind, soul, and spirit for both you and your partner. Relationship fact number 4. Let's talk about sex, baby. Okay, no, really. Contrary to popular opinions, quantity isn't better than quality. Not communicating your sexual needs to your partner is definitely a way down the wrong road. Of course, it's helpful having an open and safe space to be able to express your needs with your partner where there's no judgment or criticism, because we all have our insecurities. It's a way to connect spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically with your significant other. Relationship fact number 5. Arguing and fighting. Not fighting fair, using profanity, not letting your partner get a word in. It's just not a way to have a healthy relationship. What you need to do is to have some kind of rule, a rule to engage when it comes to those particular moments. You can learn by adopting a healthy way of communicating with your partner. And the way to do this is to adopt healthy communication skills. You can register for our live webcast about how to avoid pushing your spouse's buttons. Does any of this resonate with you or within your relationship? Comment below and let me know which one or which ones so far. Relationship fact number 6. Compatibility. Are you compatible with your significant other? It's easy to grow apart, especially when you have been with the same person for numerous amount of years. Things can get a little stale, or you can be so busy that you're just not paying attention to each other anymore. and so this can cause a breakdown in your relationship. It's important to set up a time that both of you are committed to upholding, and it's just about the two of you. You just have to make the space and the time and guard against anything interfering with that time. Relationship fact number 7. This one is a tough one. Infidelity and trust. Infidelity can be expressed in more than one way. It could be emotional, it could be physical, it could be mental, it could be spiritual. Having your spouse seek and receive emotional, mental, spiritual, or any type of form of connection with somebody other than you is very devastating. The partner that has broken the trust must take full responsibility for what has taken place and how it has affected their spouse. There should always be an open and honest communication between both people. Make sure that you follow through on any promises, no matter how small they are. You follow through on them and accomplish that, because that's part of building the trust that you have broken. Relationship fact number 8. Traumas that affect your relationship. Many relationships suffered very difficult traumas early on. Traumas such as a loss of a child, a loss of a parent, or a loss of a loved one. If you know anything about energy, you know that all traumas are energetic in nature, and they are not just going to disappear over time. Body alignment is one of the best modalities to clear and restore balance to your energetic field. Relationship fact number 9. Appreciation, acknowledgement, and acceptance. The 3 A's are like deposits for your partner's self-esteem bank account. He or she will become more loving and giving and better to listen to you. Appreciation is telling your partner what you like about him or her frequently and specifically. Acknowledgement is accepting that your partner is having the experience they say that they are having. Acceptance is loving your partner just the way they are. Relationship fact number 10. Chores. Is one person doing more of the household work than the other person? Well, like, how could this person care about me if they let me do all the work? Arguments are never really about the chores. It's always about how the other or both partners are feeling the effect of neglect in their relationship. So it's time to reorganize and prioritize your relationship with your significant other. So now you can see why most couples can relate to these 10 relationship facts. If you are struggling with some or all of these points and you want to create a space so that your relationship can flourish, click on the link in the description box below to get started today. Like, share, comment, and remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.